Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the best handrails for outside steps wall mount. The Metty Metal 2-Step Stair Handrail. If you're searching for a sturdy, stylish, and safe handrail solution for your outdoor steps, this product stands out as an excellent choice. The Metty Metal handrail is crafted from wrought iron, a material known for its durability and strength. It features a powder-coated finish that not only adds a sleek black look but also ensures resistance against rust, corrosion, and harsh outdoor weather conditions. This protective coating means the handrail will maintain its appearance and functionality over time with minimal maintenance required. Designed to fit both 1- and 2-step staircases, this handrail boasts an adjustable and flexible design. Its ability to rotate allows it to adapt to different step heights without the need for cutting or complicated modifications. This makes installation quick and hassle-free, especially for those who prefer a do-it-yourself approach. Speaking of installation, the kit comes complete with all necessary tools, hardware, and a detailed guide to make the assembly process straightforward. Whether you're mounting it on concrete, wood, or other outdoor surfaces, the handrail is engineered for a secure fit, providing reliable support for everyone using your steps. Safety is a primary focus for this handrail. It's built to withstand loads over 500 pounds, offering excellent stability for seniors, children, and anyone who needs extra support on stairs. The smooth, curved design on both sides ensures a comfortable grip without sharp edges or discomfort, making it as user-friendly as it is strong. Beyond its practical benefits, the Metty Metal handrail also adds a touch of elegance to your porch, deck, or entryway. Its transitional style with a clean, black finish complements a wide range of home exteriors and outdoor decor styles, blending safety with aesthetic appeal. Additionally, this handrail is versatile enough for indoor use or commercial settings, making it a multi-purpose solution. Whether you need it for a small residential porch or a high-traffic commercial staircase, this product delivers durability and style. Overall, the Metty Metal 2-Step Stair Handrail combines quality materials, thoughtful design, and ease of installation. It's an investment in safety and style that enhances the functionality of your outdoor space. If you want a handrail that provides strong support, withstands weather, and looks great, this product is definitely worth considering. Thank you for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.